Hey guys, Lucy here. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, Dollar Tree. Let's see what I can find today. They've got all kinds of cute stuff. Back to school, composition notebooks with cute designs, spiral notebooks. Look at this cute scarf. Socks, always need those. More school supplies. More school supplies and more school supplies. Birthday cards, birthday party supplies. My basket's getting full. Wrapping paper, bows. Look at these cute boxes you can put jewelry in if you're giving it as a gift. And if you want to go fancy, they've got these fancier boxes. Teacher's supplies. More mechanical pencils, stickers, computer paper, more stickers, crayons, markers, Shopkins markers, oh my gosh, I can't even, colored pencils, all kinds of coloring stuff, more stickers, oh my gosh, I love stickers. All kinds of activities for the little ones. I'm totally gonna come back here and make a gift basket for my nieces with all of this cute stuff that they have. Crafting supplies, all kinds of crafts. Picture frame, look at these butterflies. I thought these were really cute. This is a planner. I almost bought this, but I ended up putting it back. Isn't that cute? It can fit in your purse. Cell phone cases galore. Do you have any idea how expensive these are? You can get them for $1 at Dollar Tree. They've got earphones, chargers, a flashlight, totes. Oh my gosh, I love these totes. You can put all kinds of stuff in them. Use them when you go grocery shopping. Yeah, I'm totally getting those. All kinds of pet supplies. I'm constantly buying stuff for my dog, and this is awesome. Look at this cute little jar. I love it. Soap and hairspray and shampoo as far as the eye can see. Well, maybe not that far, but you know what I mean. Water, yes. Dish towels, paper plates, Dixie cups. So let's see the damage, guys. I decided to definitely get these 2 totes. I use them for grocery shopping, to carry my lunch, for whatever, but I definitely use them all the time. Wrapping paper for my son's birthday. I got this composition notebook because I love writing, and it's got cute cactuses on it. A birthday card. Birthday candles. Definitely for the carpet. Don't like those smells. Yes, I got the jar. And look at this, guys. It fits her treats perfectly. Tape. And guys, I love fall and holiday shopping, and they already have these pumpkins out. How cute are these? I am so excited to put these out at fall. $18.94. You can't beat that. If you feel this video brought you value, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye!